up?
2,000 years.
What's that? Holy shit. What's up, dog? What's up, man?
Hey, what's up, Casey?
What's up, man?
Hi, baby.
What's up, dog? We're in the film together, dog. It's good to see you, bro. Hey, what do you think of you at the coffee shop, bro? You're there. You made it up there,
my
dog.
life is so fucking fantastic and
That's
needs
tight,
background music.
Right on. Where you headed right now, Ross?
Going to get a hotel room.
Oh, okay. Give us your cell phone so we're about to get off here, dog.
Well, why don't you have me call you at... Don't tell me, Casey. It's,
right.
let's see.
Over and out, Jeff.
No. Don't stop there. Okay, stop. I am fucking the greatest entertainer of all time.
Right on, man.
Let's see. Casey, what's your number? 206-362...
852-1062.
852-1062.
Yeah.